So help me understand the difference between a mini implant or small diameter implant and a traditional implant. Because I've had doctors on the show that say the problem with mini implants, they're a little bit too small. You know, they're not as good as the traditional implants. So maybe you could answer this.
Yeah, you know, when I started, I thought the same thing. I looked at the implant and I thought that how can it be possible? But apparently, with the mini dental implant, it's a third the size of the traditional implant, and it only needs 3 to 4 millimeters of bone, whereas the traditional implant needs about 7 to 8 millimeters of bone.
Okay.
And with respect to strength, there's an article out there, it's Dr. Todd Chatkin, and it's a 10-year study with over 5,000 patients. It's been proven that they still reach 95 or 96% success with the mini dental implants. So they are comparable.
Which is almost identical to the regular
Correct.
implants.
Yes.
And the mini implants are, as you say, less expensive, less downtime.
Less pain.
You could be 90 years old and do this.
You could be 90 years old or even 100 to do that. The best thing about this is that you don't need extra procedures to able to put these mini implants because they require so little bone to place them.